Hello, today our group will be presenting our codes for CEP project, which is a restaurant ordering menu system. So in our coding we have three users, which is admin, customer and chefs. So as an admin, we can enter our role as an admin, which is 1, and it will show that the admin can edit, add or remove any items from the menu, as well as view payments that has been made by the customer, and save and load the menu as well. So first thing first, we need to create our menu, which is we can choose the option 1, and it will tell us whether we need to add a single or multiple items at once. In this case, I will show you we need to add multiple, so we choose M, and our coding will ask us to fill in the format in the correct format, so we will do as exactly as it said. So let's put in the code, which is item 1, and our first item, nasi goreng, with the price of RM4, and for our second item, which is nasi ayam, the price of RM6. And next, what happens when you didn't follow the format? So I will show you an example. So let's put in just the code, which is 3. It will say that the format is invalid, so we need to try and fill it out again correctly this time. So let's put in 3. Let's put in roti sardine at the price of RM3.50. And let's add some drinks to our menu as well, which is syrup, RM1, and soya, RM1.50. And let's add one last item, which is air mineral. Air mineral, RM2. So when we're done with our menu, we can just type in done and enter. Here it will say that the item has been added to the menu. So next, we can look at the option edit menu item, which is 2. So let's say, for example, we want to change the name and the price for air mineral. We can just choose the code for it, which is 6, and let's name our air mineral into something fancy, which is Sky Juice. And for the price, we don't need to change it, we can just leave it blank. And here it will say that the item 6 has been updated and the name is Sky Juice with the same price, RM2. So next, let's check out the remove option, remove item from the menu option, which is 3. And I choose to remove the Sky Juice because no one drinks Sky Juice, so let's choose the code for it, which is 6. And here we say that the item has been removed successfully. So now we will check up on view payments in a while, because a customer need to order something first. So we can now safely save the menu, which will take a while, and it will say that the menu has been saved. And now we can load it, and here we will say that the menu has been loaded from the file. So now we can check out the customer's login, and we can now start viewing the menu and ordering items from it. So let's check out the menu that we added earlier, which is exactly this one. And you will realize that our Sky Juice has disappeared because we have already removed it earlier. So the menu is updated. So now we can start ordering from the menu, which is 2. Now we can choose what we want to order by entering the code given, which is, let's choose nasi goreng and the quantity 1, as well as roti sardine 1 also, and some drinks, which is syrup 1 also. And here, when we are actually done ordering, we can just type in done and enter. It will now show us the total price for our order, which is RM8.50. We can now choose whether to pay it now or later, which we will pay it now, which then show us that our payment has been completed, and it will bring us back to the customer menu. So now we can now check out the admin to check out the view payment, and here it will show that the order has been paid. The status of the order has been paid. So if we didn't pay, if we didn't pay earlier, our status will set that the order has not been paid yet. So as an admin, we can check out whether the customer has paid or not. So now when we exit, we can check out the chef's login, where the chefs can actually see the amount of paid orders that have been made by the customer. So here, when we choose in one, we can exactly see that the item code for each, which is 134, which we ordered earlier, and the quantity of it. So when another customer place another order, it will add up and show the total amount of orders that have been paid in the total quantity. So that's it for our coding. Thank you very much.